In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok to Make.com. Let's start by diving into this brief, yet insightful tutorial that will guide you through the essential steps to seamlessly integrate your TikTok account with Make.com. This will help streamline your workflow and enhance your digital marketing management. First, we'll jump into the initial setup phase on Make.com, where you'll need to create a new scenario. Think of this as designing a new workspace, an empty canvas ready for you to build an automated workflow that connects different apps and services. This setup acts as the foundation where you'll orchestrate and manage various operational components, so make sure you have a clear objective of what you aim to achieve with this integration. Next, you'll need to include a TikTok campaign management module. It's crucial to remember that this particular module must be the first or primary action module in your scenario. This module acts as the cornerstone of your integration, allowing you to control and manage your TikTok campaigns effectively. It acts as the pulse of your operations, helping you execute and monitor strategic activities across your campaign spectrum. Once you have the campaign management module in place, it's time to authenticate. This is where you'll log in using your TikTok business account credentials. Authentication is an essential step, as it authorizes Make.com to access your TikTok data securely. For those who are a bit more technically inclined, the advanced settings offer the option to use your own TikTok app credentials. This can be a great feature if you're looking for a more customized setup, or if you're implementing this on behalf of a client and need tailored access controls. After successfully setting up the authentication, the next phase involves setting up the downstream modules. These are additional components that interact with your TikTok data to perform various actions based on any changes within your campaigns. For instance, you could link Google Sheets to log campaign results or employ Slack to send real-time notifications to your team about campaign updates. Additionally, you might want to set up an email module to notify stakeholders about significant changes or milestones in your campaigns. These downstream modules offer flexibility and ensure that your team stays informed and empowered, no matter where they are. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully woven TikTok into your Make.com workflow, enabling a more integrated and automated campaign management process. This integration not only saves time, but also helps you maintain a cohesive strategy across all your digital marketing channels. So go ahead and explore the possibilities that this powerful connection unlocks. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.